Hey babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. So I pretty much already know that this video will be a fail, but I think that it will be a very fun fail. So I saw on NikkieTutorials channel that she did her makeup in reverse. So she started with like lips and the stuff that you do last, and then the last thing she did was like foundation and stuff like that. And it was really like heartbreaking to watch because I'm like, it looks so not good. But I thought that I want to try that as well. So today, as you guys know, we don't really do many challenges here on the channel, but today we're going to do the reverse makeup challenge, and pray for me that it will look good because I have to go after I'm done. I'm just gonna put up my hair. And now the first step. For me, that would be a setting spray. This one is the NYX Professional Makeup Dewy Finishing Setting Spray. And I think that this will not ruin the look, hopefully. I guess it is time for lips already. I'm gonna go in with these new liquid lipsticks that I got. I'm not gonna talk about the products, but I will have everything listed down below. I think I'm gonna go in with a dark red. And as you guys know, I always overline my lips, so of course I'm gonna do that today as well. Like that, and then the next step is mascara. Which feels so wrong. Let's make these lashes uber dark. Mascara is looking horrible. Like the mascara is really good, but just because I don't have anything underneath, I think it looks just smudgy, and no, I don't like it. But luckily it is time for lashes, so let's put these on. These are from Rouge and Rogue, and if you've not tried these lashes yet, it is my favorites, and I have a coupon code that I will list down below if you're interested in buying some of them, because they are the absolute best, and I think that it will actually help the look a lot. If you guys saw NikkieTutorials video, you probably saw that she kind of failed with some of these stuff and forgot to do some things in reverse, but I really think that I will now because I have them laid out on how I need to put it on. But I'm not gonna go that far as like putting on the lashes and then putting on the glue or whatever. So I have glue on my lash and I'm gonna put it on my eye now. One lash on, already looking so much better. I think I look like Lady Gaga in American Horror Story. Speaking of that, I was actually sitting today and thinking about what kind of Halloween looks I should do this year. As you guys know, I did some like anime inspired looks last year, and like Marilyn Manson and like just stuff that I loved. And I would love to get your opinions on what I should do this year. Maybe some kind of characters from like movies or series or games or whatever, because I really need help. So if you have an idea, please comment down below. Next off, eyeliner, which is a bummer because doing eyeliner before eyeshadow, I don't know about that. But let's just do it. I'm gonna go in with a winged liner because I want it to be hard for me to make this look good. And this is, by the way, the new Kat Von D Dagger tattoo liner. It is so good. I love it so much. Now for eyeshadow, I'm thinking my eyeshadow won't be that crazy. I'm thinking a brown golden smoky eye, maybe a pop of color in the middle of the eye. First with highlighter, because that is what I usually do last, and put that in the middle, no, not the middle, the inner corner, and also underneath my brow. I usually go in with the crease first step, so let's just go in with the lid color. And for that, we're gonna go in with a golden shade. Okay, maybe not the best brush for this, but let's just go with it. I have eyeshadow all over my lash. And then we'll use a brown shade in the crease. And a little bit underneath. Finally, we're gonna do brows. And for those of you that have seen my looks before, I've started to do my brows green. And that is what we're gonna do today as well. You guys might think that this looks really weird still because my eyebrows are green, but I mean, you gotta match the roots, right? I'm really on the fence if I should use powder now or if I should just skip powder completely, because I don't really use powder that much. I only use it sometimes underneath my eyes. I'm gonna skip that. Okay, then it is time for base, and we are going to start with highlighter. We are going to put this on the high points of my face, and we're gonna blend this in. We are gonna go in with blush, and this is a blush on a stick form from Nabla. And also I have a cream contour, so let's just put that on as well. And then we'll blend it all in. This is not looking cute. Oh my god, have I ever looked this bad? I don't think so. I do look like a clown in my green hair as well. Oh well. Okay, I think that this will have to do. And now I usually go in with foundation and then concealer, so I guess we're going in with concealer now. And I will try to conceal, but also try and like highlight and contour at the same time, you know? Make the eyeliner sharp as fuck. Try and blend this into the eyeshadow. Like that, I guess. And now let's go in with the foundation, or the CC cream in this case. Okay, last step, I guess. And I'll see if I can fix all this mess. Can I just say that I actually think this looks okay. The only thing that I really don't like is that I have a lot of eyeshadow on my lash. I would have wanted the eyeshadow to be more blended, which it's really not. I want to put on more mascara, and I think that my brows are just really bad. But that's just my fault, I think, for today. But yeah, this is the finished look, doing my makeup in reverse. Okay, honestly though, it looks like I would have done it in the right way. Not like looking the best, but I still like, this could be me, for sure. I'm very pleased with my results. Good job, me! Woo! If you guys also thought that I did a good job, please give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe if you have not already. And I guess that is it for this video. I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye!